Welcome to week 2 of EduGlance. Last week we built the script, this week we build the world. In 2026, the green screen is officially a legacy tool. Today, we're entering the LED volume. This isn't just a big TV, it's a 3D environment that moves with the camera. We'll show you how, in-camera VFX, is saving indie filmmakers thousands by eliminating the need for location scouting and complex post-production. The secret sauce of virtual production is parallax. If you just stand in front of a screen, it looks flat. But when your camera moves, the background must react as if it's miles away. Using tracking sensors, we sync our physical camera to a virtual one in Unreal Engine. This creates a perfect 3D illusion where the digital horizon shifts exactly like a real one. It's the difference between a background and a world. In Viscom, lighting is everything. In a volume, the wall is the light. If your scene is a neon-lit street in Tokyo, the blue and pink light from the screen naturally wraps around your actor's face. To take it to the next level, we use DMX systems to sync our physical ceiling lights to the digital world. If a car drives past in the background, a physical light streak should move across your actor's shoulder in perfect sync. You don't need a $10 million studio to do this. In 2026, indie directors are using projection mapping and large OLED screens to create mini volumes at home. By using a long 85mm lens, you can create a shallow depth of field that hides the pixels of the screen, making a living room setup look like a high-budget studio. Pair this with AI-generated backdrops from Runway, and you can shoot a scene on Mars before lunch. Virtual production is 90% preparation. You need to gen-lock your sensors so you don't get that ugly flickering on screen. You also need to watch for moire patterns, those weird wavy lines that happen when the camera focuses too sharply on the LED pixels. Mastering these technical hurdles is what separates a YouTuber from a technical director. This is the future of Viscom.
Don't forget to subscribe to EduGlance for more career-focused videos.